This $48.9 million mega mansion commands 315 feet of Florida's Gold Coast. It's owned by Patron CEO Ed Brown and his model wife Ashley. The 40,000 square foot mansion includes a supersized living room with giant 30-foot tall windows. There are Patron bottles everywhere, on the bars, painted on the walls, on their $20,000 handmade bar cart, and in almost all 16 bathrooms. The house features 9 bedrooms. This is the massive master suite. His walk-in closet is cool, but hers is cooler, with 1,500 square feet of high fashion on display. There's also a private spa and personal gym with ocean views. Outside, there's a saltwater pool and $1 million rushing waterfall. Buried below the $500K artificial lawn is an epic man cave with 2 professional race cars, each worth millions, and lots more Patron.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.